Life is rarely just one flavor. Some days are calm, some days hit hard, and most days are a mix of everything. Just like the soup, we often look for perfection, but life does not work that way. It starts simple, one step at a time, doing what you can with what you have. Life is built in layers, different moments, different people. Some bring warmth, some bring sharpness, but every layer adds meaning. There are moments we do not enjoy, the heavy ones, the darker ones, but those moments add depth. Without them, everything feels shallow. A little heat reminds us we are alive. And then there is time. Time does not rush. It allows things to come together naturally. Life needs that too, patience and trust. A little sour reminds us we are grown. A little spice reminds us we've lived. Too much of either, and life becomes difficult to handle. Life, like food, is always about balance. Even the toughest days needs a little sweetness, because balance is everything. Slowly, everything finds its place. What felt overwhelming settles. What felt confusing becomes clear. Not perfect, just balanced. And finally, a fresh finish. Because ending matters just as much as the beginnings. This bowl isn't just hot and sour soup. It's a reminder. Life will always be hot and sour. What matters is finding your balance. This is Reels to Meal. If this story felt relatable, please like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.